Hi, my name is Allie Moore, and this is my fish thematic unit. I like to have class pets as long as I have somebody help me take care of them. This is my friend Lady. She's my beta. And I would like to use fish, since I like to go fishing, I think fishing can contribute to education also. And with this book we have Dr. Seuss, One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish. We have Coral Reefs in Danger, and Oceans and Seas. And what I would like for my students to do is look at it at a scientific way at our coral reefs and what's causing our coral reefs to disappear and what's going on. And that, I'll just start out with reading Dr. Seuss, One Fish, Two Fish, Three Fish, and I'll have some rainbow fish for them to snack on at the same time while we're reading in the thematic unit. And in the unit, what they'll do is they'll go give suggestions about what type of fish there are, different types like trout, redfish, flounder, grouper, snapper, shark, what types of sharks there are. And what I expect them to do also, again, we'll have class fish, and they'll be responsible helping taking care of the fish as a way as solving what she or he the fish needs to live. And the organisms, how they resemble other fish, other betas, what's the colors, and this is also part of the goldfish. And when we finish reading the Coral Reefs in Danger, I'll have a paper here, and the students will draw it and write. They'll draw a coral reef in this section here and write a description of the reef, and by using their own words, what the reef is looking like, what color, how does it live, does it breathe, is it real, what organisms live on it, what fish go around it. And then I have a little sheet here also. It's a story. It says Frank likes to fish, and we'll read the story to them, to the students, so they'll comprehend, see what their comprehension level is. Then I'll ask them the questions in circle. And then we have the Oceans and Bays, and it has different animals and different areas of where the fish are, different continents and stuff like that. And this is where I'll have them do a little activity, and it has 4 pages, 4-part. After they finish coloring it and writing in their little paragraphs, you can cut it out and make little books. Like this says, if my fish could talk, it would say, please keep the lakes, oceans, and bays clean. And what I want to introduce them, and I wanted to tell them, we do not throw trash in our waters, because we want our waters to stay clean, because sometimes with the fresh waters, we drink out of, we swim in. Just like with salt water, we don't drink, but we swim. And we can give them the difference on that. And then the next page, my fish likes to, Lady likes to eat and swim. First thing in the morning, come in, she's in this corner, she's ready to eat. My fish can swim to if I'm sitting at the table, Lady will come over to this corner, sit there and stare at me. Right now she's right here, because she knows who feeds her. And the last page, it tells them if the children did have a fish. My fish is named Lady, and she is the beta. So I want them to give their fish a name and what type of fish they are. And I have another cool activity for them to do. We'll get some brown paper bags, color sheet, and make a fish puppet. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed my fish thematic unit.